Your next Instagram update can get your immigration case denied, or guess what, even deported. So immigration has taken a crazy turn, as you know. I mean, yes, they are just enforcing laws that have been in place a long time ago, but in 2025, it's like it is on steroids. So the Department of State and the US government has basically said Instagram posts, social media posts, TikTok, Facebook, whatever social media posts, they will be using that to evaluate any type of visa application or any type of visa petition that you have submitted as an immigrant, especially for student visas. So a recent memo by the DOJ basically stated that if you are applying for an F1 student visa, they will be bringing you through extra screening. And what does that mean? They're going to go through your social media to check if there's anything anti-Semitic, if there's anything extremist, or if there's anything that doesn't align with US values. Or guess what? Even if you're in some type of political rally that does not align with US interests, they will flag you, and more than likely, if you're outside of the country applying for a student visa, you will get denied. So that has already been released from a student visa, J1 and M1 visas. But what does it mean for people who are inside of the country? What does actual social media vetting means or extra screening? So for a visa overstayer, right, they have said that if somebody has entered the country legally and they have overstayed their visas, they will now be looking into their case for additional screening. So what does that mean? How can it be, how does it play out in real life? So say for instance, you are now applying for a marriage-based petition and you say that you are married to Jane and you have your social media pages showing somebody that is not Jane, right? Somebody that, based on the description that you submitted, does not match Jane, and you are now with Mary, and you're taking vacations around the country. They're going to check for that, and they're going to use that against you. So, of course, this has been in play through many other administrations, but under the Trump administration, guess what? They will be using that right away. In this period is the fastest I've ever seen cases get denied, and then the person gets sent to removal proceedings. So that's one area that you can actually look at where the extreme vetting of social media can harm you. Another area that I've seen them look at is just material facts. If you put in a visa petition, right, or any type of application that you don't own firearms, right? Whereas if you are an undocumented immigrant or an immigrant, you cannot own a firearm, and you actually have a video on social media where you are holding a firearm, guess what? You will get flagged. If you tell immigration that you have never been employed, but you are on social media with the stack of money next to your ear and saying that you work all this money and you have all these things, guess what? They will use that against you and they will interrogate you about it. So social media is a big thing nowadays, and especially with immigration, and it is now a part of USCIS and the Department of State and DOJ of their extreme vetting for people applying for visas from outside of the country, but also for people applying for immigration benefits from within the country.